Hello, my name is David Kavenga Vaka and I'm from Ngareia. I actually live in Brisbane, but I'm helping out with the Tonga Rugby League team this World Cup campaign. I'm actually doing motivational speaking and spiritual training at the same time and just providing moral support for the team. So we're looking for a great year this year, a great campaign, and watch out Tonga for a great miracle that will happen in this World Cup. Malo.
Malego nga ko sa Tonga ko pa umi a week ko ko magtimi ko magte ko magfort ko magtong Malo.
Hello, Brent Kite here. My family comes from Pasi Moiafi, City Slickers, but all good people, so can't wait to catch up with everyone back home.
My name Pui Moi Moi. Ko tamai me matai ko baba ko fai me ala food.
Mickey Paya and mom and dad, they're from Mate Ma'a Tonga. Name is Williami Makamai Leman. My dad's from Golfo and my mom's from Dokomolo.
Sika Manu from Niua, Maini. Sosai Vave, Hau Fae, me Longoteme, Hau Atamai, me Pea.
Penny Turpo. Mom's from Hawaii and my dad's from Ewa. Ben Murdoch Masila, Wava'u, and Matua.
Hey, my name is Pat Polatoni and my parents are from Tefisi, Vava'u, and my mom's from Lapaha.
Daniel Foster, my mom's from Walaha and my dad's from Australia. George Tafua from Kolomatua, also Samoan. My mom's from Kolomatua.
Malolele, my name's Sayopek. Mum's from Utulau and my dad's from Lupalofa.
David Tangata Toa. My dad's from Kulamotu.
David Duinawai, from my dad's from Unuku and my mom's from Soku.
Hi, Matthew Vincent. Country of birth is Auckland, New Zealand, Auckland. I am the actual sports physio for the Tongan International Rugby League team. So my involvement this year will be in this tournament will be basically try and look after the players as best we can. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Christy Tonga. I'm the media manager for Mate Ma'a Tonga. I'm from Kolomatua and also from Mataika in Vava'u.
Malole pe atu malo hi se le tau mo timi mo mau ko mapo. Ata si ko le atu mo kainga mo pa mu sias. Mo lo to me pe ke nga ko ni. Ko timi ko ni mo masiva pe. Ke ha me le mo ma. Ko malo tu pe ko tu ko mo lo tu. Pe mo ku to ma to ke pa nga ko mo lo tu mai pe ko me mo ke timi ko ni. Ata ko malo la ko. Kena fai pe ki ko ka tonga a ko mo tau ai. Every time we play, I he was there. Lava ki au kai ke ki tu me rai tawa ki ka mo lo tu mai ko tu i pa ke mo lo tu mai ka lo tau lo pa ta ko tu ke ya me ko ta ke ki pa ku ata ma lo he bite me Mate Ma'a Tonga me tini wow ko pa ko ma lo he bite ofa ka mo to
Richard Mate Tonga, parents from Kolomatua. Utility back.
Hi, I'm Bele. I'm from Malapo and Fiji, and playing fullback for the Mate Ma'a Tonga. I played for Sydney Roosters.
Tinga ko pen fonua, tarifa ke tim ta fonua, ko ha upea me sia.
My name is Manu and I'm from Mataika and play front row and to support the Tonga team. And good luck.
Ko nga ko David Takafi. How me back or good luck at the team for Malo.
Hi, my name is James. I'm coming for supporting the Tongan team for the World Cup. Good luck for the boys. And the Bible say Philippians 4:13. We can do all two things in Christ. He's strengthening us. Boys, going hard, men, and go for Tongan in the World Cup.